So I'm going to do it on this cube only. Remove the light and click on the animate tool and select surface. So now I'm going to do it. For one spot I'm going to do a lot more cracks, and then for the others I'm just going to do some randomly made cracks. You can do anything if you want. Now from below, and now from above. So that's it. Now go into edit, preferences, in add-ons type cell and turn on the cell fracture add-on. Then click F3 and search cell fracture, and over here click annotation pencil, and in source limits is the number of particles you want, so I'm going to do it on something like 150. And now for a collection, I'm going to make a new collection called pieces. So let's click OK. It may take a while. Once it's done, go click on node and just click on the minus button to remove the animation. So right now it's looking a bit weird because the original cube is still there, so you have to hide it first. So now you can see it. There are many pieces. So now select any of the pieces. I'm just going to select one, and then go to the physics tab, click on rigid body and just leave it as it everything. Then turn on X-ray mode. While clicking shift, select all and go to object, rigid body, copy from active. So now each one will have the same properties. Now there is another feature in Blender that's a really good feature. Go into rigid body and click calculate mass. This calculates the mass for each object depending on the size. So like the big object will have for example 100 kg mass, and the smaller ones will have 10 kg or 15 kg. And this is for each substance. If you want air, ice, gravel, granite, gold, copper, iron, brick. So I'm just going to click on glass solid. So now you can see each one has different mass. For example, this one has 161 kg, 114 kg. The really small ones have 21 kg mass, etc. So now these all have the rigid body properties. Go into X-ray mode. Just move it a little up. This much should be fine. Add a new plane. So now make the plane this much size, turn off X-ray mode and click on the plane, go to physics tab and click rigid body and change the type to passive. So I'm just going to X-ray mode, select all of these cubes, and I'm just going to rotate it so that it looks like it fell from there. Just gonna move it a little bit more up. So our work is finished, and this was a really simple tutorial. Let's play and see how does it looks. So you can see each is different. Like the small ones are rolling more while the big ones are less. let us turn on this, and I'm just going to make it the plane 3D. So let's check now. So you can see some particles would fall down if the plane is not 3D, so make the plane first 3D. And now if you wanted some material, for example if you want a glass material, so there is my another tutorial on how to make a glass material. Just go into material and make the glass material and then assign it for each thing. Select all the cubes and assign it. And for the cube, just move it out of the scene so that it doesn't come in the final render. So here you go. This is the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video if you found this helpful. Thanks a lot.